It's the vibes. It's me. You see us on the apron. Yes, sir. We making big meals, big moves. Big moves and big meals. Let's go. You ready? Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is episode number 2. I'm coming through with something light. It's alright. You know what we're doing. You know the vibes. We making turkey burgers, but the turkey burgers ain't just no turkey burger. I know it sounds boring, right? It sounds real healthy and whack. No, it's not. Turkey burgers that are stuffed with jalapeno and Kobe Jack cheese. If you don't know what Kobe Jack is, Google it, alright? I can't teach you everything. But listen, ground turkey, you feel me? Listen, this is what I like to do. I like to kind of be conscious of my health, so what I do is, if I'm making a burger, I'm making it with ground turkey, okay? If I go out somewhere and I get a burger, yeah, I'll get a beef burger, but at home, I try to not eat too much red meat, you know? Health is wealth, you feel me? I know you heard that. But alongside the turkey burger, we're gonna make some sweet potato fries. Look, I'm looking out for my health again. Keep the gut down, dig me? But I got these sweet potato fries soaking in water, because when you soak your fries or your potatoes or your rice in water, it takes out the starch. Less starch, okay? Now, I'm gonna let these sit in this water for a little bit, but I'm still gonna fry them. But when I fry them, I'm topping them off with lemon pepper seasoning. So, lemon pepper sweet potato fries, stuffed turkey burger, jalapeno, Kobe Jack cheese. Nigga, please. Alright, y'all, so first thing you wanna do, of course, is season your ground turkey. So, what I like to season it with, salt, pepper. I'm just gonna go 3 with everything. You're doing 3 pinches of everything, okay? Garlic. And this burger seasoning. You can get any type of burger seasoning you want, doesn't matter. Now, what I'm doing next, I'm gonna mix this up. And I'm gonna season this boy one more time. Okay? Sweet potato fries. You okay? I ain't forget about you. I'm gonna take care of you, alright? I know you're looking real dry and lonely right now. We gonna get to you, okay? I know you're like, oh, what about me? I want some seasoning. You looking real pale and trash right now. It's alright. You a healthy potato, okay? You a sweet potato. Okay, we're gonna spice you up in a second, you feel me? It's time to make the patties now. So, with the stuffed burger, it's not just 1 patty, it's 2 per burger. So, you're gonna take 1 patty, make it flat as you can. You're gonna take another patty and make it as flat as you can for 1 burger. But we're making 2, so we're gonna make 4 flat patties, and then we're gonna stack them on top of each other. All right, you got your 4 patties laid out, and they look like they're ready to be stuffed. So what you gonna do first, right? This Kobe Jack cheese I got right here, 2 little slices. Don't go crazy. You're gonna place them right in the middle, and then the jalapenos go next. Put as much jalapenos as you want in here. I like the number 4, so that's what I'm doing. Cover it up. Now we're gonna make this into 1. So we're gonna pinch the sides like a little cute baby's cheek. Like, oh, you're so cute, baby. Oh, look at this little cutie right here. Just pinch the sides, right? Lock it in. There's no way out. Stuffed turkey burgers. I'm about to throw these things on a pan and you're gonna hear it. Whew, it's my favorite sound. This is very important, y'all. I don't know, if you don't toast your buns, I don't know what's wrong with you, but please toast your buns. I'm a little fancy sometimes. I'm using this garlic butter. So I'm just gonna put this in the pan first, let it melt, and then I'm gonna put my buns on it. Pause. Toast to the good life. These buns are gonna make your burgers so much fire. The oil's getting hot for the fries. I'm gonna take these buns off and I'm gonna put those burgers on there. Alright, I got the flame on a medium flame, not too high, not too low, and you gotta use the pan, okay? For security purposes, I don't like my meat sticking to the pan, you feel me? Hey, yo. Alright, mayonnaise is going on the bottom. This mustard right here, elite. That's that Grey Poupon. This one is going on this bun. Now we got the sweet potato fries. I could eat this right now, but it look like a carrot. Putting the fries in there. Yeah. Usually if it's on a medium fire, you give it about 5 to 8 minutes. Wow. See all that juice that came out? And I like to push them to the corner. When I push them to the corner, it cooks the side of the burger. You know what I mean? You see all that juice right there? I'm about to add onions to it. All that juice right there, look, watch this. Say hello to caramelized onions. I like to do this too. You know? I like to get all sides of the burger cooked. You looking good right now. We're gonna cover it up. Y'all know what time it is, right? A little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. Cause the lemon pepper's coming next, you heard? Now these onions right here going on one burger. Now this burger right here, I'm gonna place this lettuce and tomato. This burger right here has the Dijon mustard on the bottom, ketchup on the top. This one right here has the mayo on the bottom with the A1 sauce on top. And what we're gonna do right here, I add a pickle with the burger because I can't eat a sandwich or a burger without a pickle. So here you go. Listen, y'all. I got the parsley right here. It's the finishing touch. Makes everything look better. Come on now. Take a picture and frame it. I'm putting it on the burger too. The hell with it. Fuck it. It's going on everything. That's a perfect burger. You can't front. Hold up. This is slapping. They go to the other joint. Oh! Yo, this is like a Wop burger. This is a Wop burger. This is a Wob. A Wob. Wet ass burger. Yo, cut the camera. You want one of these? You want a piece of this shit?
For sure.
Yeah, cut the camera, man. It's time to eat, man. It's time to eat. You heard that crunch? Oh, God. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna lie to you. I just tore that whole meal up. 2 burgers, a whole bunch of fries. Shout out to my cameraman, Chris Cash, for the shooting. We just had an immaculate meal. But yeah, man, I want to thank you guys again. If you like the video, subscribe, like it, comment, follow me. RonzCookinup on Instagram. You know the vibes. I hope you guys keep watching. I got more episodes coming for y'all. A lot of my friends been asking. A lot of people been telling me when's episode 2 coming out. I'm gonna pull up with episode 3 immediately. You feel me? So again, RonzCookinup. You know what it is. Peace, love, blessings. Be out.